Good morning, my dear children. How are you? So my name is D. Pinchalaya, and I am proud to be social teacher in Sage High School. I handle classes for 8 classes. Today, I will discuss about the how do you say social in our school campus. Actually, to teach the social studies to the children, interesting and practical method can be used to appropriate to their age and level of understanding. For example, the younger children can be taught the social subject through the storytelling, the playing games, and watching movies about the weather and animals. For elder children, the discussions, documentary, and the project and about the history and geography, a social issue can be used. The next one, some tips for the teaching social studies to the children. The first one, telling interesting stories. By telling the story related to the social subject to the children, the interest can be increased. The second point, play games. So play games are great for the developing the social skills and the understanding concept. For example, the learn and the social subject to the uh, playing games about the country or by the playing country and based on the games. The next one, the used image and videos. By showing the children picture and documentaries related to the social subject and topics, there can be easily understanding to the children. The next one is the whole and discussions. By telling the whole discussion to the children about the social subject, and you can learn about their the thought and increase the knowledge. The next one is encourage the reading the books. This is the most very important. This is the encourage reading books. By reading the books of the social topic of children, they learn work on deeply and useful things and to teach the social subject topic to children. The next one, what about the world? To educate the children about the world, can be talk about the different countries of different cultures and what about the history. By telling the history, can be the children what about the history, they can understand by the happened to the past and learn how today the society was formed. What about the geography? The geography is telling the about the learn about the land and the river and the mountains and after the geography features. The next one is what about the people? By telling the people about the learn about the different race of a religion and other the social and aspects. Today, but the teaching the social subject the developing in the good, developing and goods in the citizens became the awareness of aspects. Today, I will this the possible things for the strong academic planning supervision system provided by the our school and under by the available guidance. Our chief advisor, my legendary, the Tata Prasad Rao sir, who is the highly experienced as well as is visited in the academic excellence. Our teachers and constantly encouraged to the explore of innovation. Thank you so much.